Buick in Gladewater, Texas, and I'm sitting inside a 2019 Chevy Silverado Work Truck package. A lot of people have gotten used to having the parking brake push pedal here, and so what they did is they actually added a braking magnetic braking system. The way you engage it is you put your foot on the brake, press that button right there, and what you're gonna get is a little sound, and it actually locks the truck in. You get a little sign that says park, and the way this engages that is you put your foot back on the brake, press that button right there, and that light goes off, and it will tell you park brake released. Again, this is how you operate the braking on this 2019 work truck Silverado. If you have any questions, give us a call, 903-746-4630. Adrian at McKaig Chevrolet. Y'all have a good one.